How you doing today? My name is Michael Lovett. I'm the owner operator of Clear Credit. I opened my first location in South Carolina in 2003. In 2006, you had to become licensed by the state of South Carolina in order to help somebody with their credit. We were the first licensed credit counseling organization in the state of South Carolina. Actually, in that time, I'd just become a member of the Better Business Bureau, and since then, I've had a rating of A+. I am the only credit repair company in America with an A+ rating with the BBB since 2006. And I'm willing to show you why. That right there. Because I know what I'm doing. I have helped so many people get their credit straightened out. That there, medical bills deleted. A lot of people say, oh, you can't get this stuff off, you don't have no process. Bankruptcies, deleted. One thing about all these other companies that go on here and say they could do this or they could do that, they won't show you what I show you because they don't have the proof. Charge cards, that's credit cards. That was 9 of them in the first 30 days of working on their credit. I can get it off, and I know how to get it off fast. Not everybody's done that fast. A lot of people have these now, student loans. But I can show you one right after the other. Bad lease. If you've had a bad lease before, I know how to take that off somebody's credit file. A repossession. Taking off repos, many repos. Collection agencies. More collection agencies. One thing these people will not show you that I'm also willing to show you, and that's my FICO score. I have an 819. That's what everybody should be, especially if you're as old as I am. I've been helping people with credit, like I said, ever since 2003. When I opened up, I put a sign up, called it Clear Credit. Still named Clear Credit. Nobody else is willing to put a sign up in front of their building because they didn't know if they was doing something right or something wrong. Well, I knew they was doing something, but it wasn't right. It wasn't what I was doing. All they did was take people's money. As a finance director, I've helped people for almost 7 years and didn't charge them a dime. I just wanted to learn how to do it. I got very good at my process. And now I have a process that's designed to eliminate all your derogatory, inaccurate information on your credit files. All you have to do is give us a call at that number right there. Right now I do have a special that gets you signed up, gets all 3 of your credit reports. Also gives you the first 30 days of service. If you're not done in the first 30, 60 days, 30, 35 days, then you can continue on. It's $50 a month. You can cancel at any time. My average customer only takes, I tell everybody 4 to 6 months, but I get a lot of people done the first 30 days as I just showed you. It took a long time to learn how to do it. I'm willing to help you. It does not matter what state you are in. I'm licensed here in South Carolina, but no other state has a license that I have, or that we have to have here in South Carolina. So if you'd like to get started, please give us a call, 803-883-5040. Of course, you can keep watching my videos, and will eventually teach you how to do this. Once I get enough subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and tell everybody how to do it. One step at a time, because it's the way I had to learn how to do it, because you have to know what you're doing in order to do these disputes. You don't want them to get you for committing fraud or saying things that you're not supposed to say, which they will flip it around and charge you with fraud. So don't do that to yourself. Reality is, the easiest thing to do is just sign up with us, Clear Credit, LLC. Like I said, we are the only licensed credit counseling organization in the state of South Carolina right now, and in America that has an A+ rating with the BBB. So give us a call. You can go to my website at www.yourclearcredit.com. Sign up with us right there. Use your PayPal account to get started, or you can give us a call. If you're not in the state of South Carolina, you want an 800 line, call us at 888-876-8880. Again, that number is 888-876-8880. Again, I look forward to helping you. Smash them likes. Subscribe to my channel. You start getting more videos. I'll teach you from one step to the next how to get your credit straightened out. If you'd like to do it yourself, you like to take the time to learn, and that way you can teach other people to do it. Whatever you'd like to do. I've been doing this a long time. Anyway, we still do this to make a living. But anyway, keep watching the videos. I will eventually show you step 1 all the way through step 20, which will take it off your credit file. Anyway, thank you again. My name is Mike Lovett. Have a beautiful day.